Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the ANZ mobile app. The ANZ mobile app experience is defined by a tale of two apps. The traditional one, which is the ANZ app, remains a robust, dependable tool for long-term customer featuring industry-leading security like Voice ID for large transfers and the ultra-reliable ANZ Falcon fraud protection. However, the real spotlight is on ANZ Plus, the bank's digital-first platform. The truth in 2026 is that the ANZ is aggressively pushing users towards ANZ Plus for its superior money management tools such as automatic spend categorizing and high-yield growth saver account. The standout pro is that passwordless login, which uses passkeys for a frictionless experience. On the con side, the ecosystem is fragmented. If you use ANZ Plus, if you can't access your accounts via traditional desktop internet banking, which remains a massive frustration for power users. So furthermore, the high interest rates on the Growth Saver now require a $100 monthly balance increase, making it a less flexible than a standard no-strings saver. So if you want a modern, data-heavy banking experience on your phone, ANC Plus is excellent, but if you keep relying on desktop banking or credit card integration, the transition can feel like a step backward.